Hello guys, I am Mustafa. In this video, I'd like to talk about a lecture through the science paper. Okay, I have my textbook here. And in this video, last time I talked of the common communicable diseases. And today, in our video, I'd like to talk about the immunization. So, immunization, you want to know what is the immunization? It's also called vaccination, just like vaccination. Vaccination, it's a syringe. Um, it makes safe against from any diseases. So vaccines with diseases should be given. So those diseases, they are called immunizable diseases. That's what I'd like to go through. So immunization is the introduction of a vaccine into the body to make someone safe against diseases. They are either injected or through or the body or given through the mouth. It can be given through the body or the mouth as well, or it can be injected. As I just said before, I was reading it. So, immunizable diseases. Not all diseases are immunized against. So there are some diseases that can be can be immunized, but but some they are not immunized. They can't be. So immunizable diseases are those diseases for which vaccines are available. Okay, some diseases we can be given vaccine. For example, we have tuberculosis, we have um, we have malaria, we have measles. So there are so many others. For example, just tuberculosis, and each vaccines it has its own name. It has its name. Okay, so I have a table here, immunization schedule. It is a table that is written the infant's age, the vaccines given, types of immunization, then diseases being immunized against. So there are four contents from this table. We have four content of it. So at birth, the vaccine it has a name called BCG. Then it's given injection as well, and then from tuberculosis. At first, anti-polio, we have oral drops through the mouth. Then we have polio. Okay. At second anti-polio oral, the same thing. Then at 6 week we have first DPT. The type of it's the injection as well. It's given to prevent from diphtheria, whooping cough, and tetanus. Then the 10th week we have the third anti-polio. Okay, the second DPT, it's injection, uh, diphtheria, whooping cough, and tetanus. And then 14th week, fourth antipolio. Then third diphtheria injection. This is the same thing. And then that ninth month, it says anti measles, then injection, then measles. So this now it was the second part. No, I mean the fourth part. I was mentioning the measles, the fourth content, then the third one, the types of immunization. Okay, this table it was called immunization schedule. So I was just talking about when, at what time, and then at what type of immunization, then diseases being immunized against. So the first one was from tuberculosis. Then the other one at 6th week we have diphtheria, whooping cough, and tetanus. Then the 10th week we have third antipolio. So these are all around. So I didn't mention again because I don't want to repeat myself. But the second antipolio is just same thing. It's just what it's written. So that's why I escaped from that. Okay, and immunization card on which a child's immunization is recorded is called child health card. Okay, now I'd like to go through the the full meaning of BCG, DPT, and only them. Okay, now BCG. Sorry, it was my camera. Oh, sorry. 1 minute. So let's continue. Okay, BCG. BCG stands for Basilia, Calmate, and Georina. So it's a hard name. Okay, DPT, diphtheria, pertussis. Okay, I'll write it in through the description, all of them. What I have it. Then other immunizable diseases, we have cholera, typhoid, yellow fever. Then we have smallpox, and then many others. So I like to end up here, and then I'd like to have another lecture or games. So through my activity. Okay, make sure you subscribe and like, and see you in our next video.